Welcome to my channel. Today we've got this impact wrench. It's an old brushed Milwaukee, and the guy that owns it is complaining that it doesn't have the same power as it used to, and it's a burning smell when you use it. So we're going to get into it and see what's going on inside. Not much to the insides of these. The brushes are well down, to be quite honest with you, and maybe the motor and field coil could do with a bit of a clean. There goes one of the brushes anyway. So they were well, they're falling apart. Look at that, crumbling two butts. They're well knackered. Well knackered those. Might get away with the motor this time. We'll see. Might be so bad now. Good magnet in that field coil, so that's good. I'll put the brushes on here now. Uh-oh. We will need that. Grease will hold it on. That's it back together now. If you look at those brushes, they were well beyond their sell by date, so